Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to reset a WordPress website in Hostinger. If you have access to your WordPress dashboard and you want to reset your WordPress website, just under dashboard, click on Updates. As you can see, I have the latest version of WordPress. Below it, I can click this reinstall version. They are now downloading the latest copy. And just like that, my WordPress is reset successfully. If you don't have access to your WordPress dashboard and you want to reset your website, just go to your Hostinger account and click on websites from the top. Then hit dashboard next to your WordPress website. And from this left side menu, click on install, then auto installer. Next to your website, click on these little three dots and hit delete. Make sure to check all these options to delete all files and databases and hit delete. Let's verify that my WordPress is completely deleted. Let's refresh this page. As you can see, my WordPress is deleted successfully. Now to reinstall a new WordPress copy, just go to website, then auto installer, and under WordPress, click on select. Give your new WordPress website a title, for example, my blog. Enter your email and also a username for your WordPress dashboard. After that, fill in your preferred password. After that, click on next. I always recommend to use the latest WordPress version for better security. And for the site language, you can select it from this drop-down list. After that, click on install. My WordPress website is installed now. Let's verify that by refreshing this page. And this is how to reset your WordPress website in Hostinger. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.